Hello and welcome to Little Learners. This week we are focusing on the letter sound for nature. So today we're going to go step by step through how to make your own rabbit plant pot to grow your own cress seeds. To make your rabbit plant pot to grow your cress seeds, you will need a fibre plant pot, some cress seeds, a cotton wool pad, some water, 2 rabbit ear shapes, this is cut out using brown paper, 2 smaller pink rabbit ear shapes for the inside of the rabbit's ears, 2 wiggly eyes, a cotton wool ball for the tail, either a small pom-pom or a gem for the rabbit's nose, a glue stick or PVA glue and a glue spreader, and a black pen to draw on the whiskers. So the first thing we're going to do is glue down the insides of the ear.
Stick it down this way.
And then stick it down onto the brown parts of the ears. And then place a little bit of glue on the bottom of the ear. And then stick it down on the inside of the pot.
What's that?
Place some glue onto the eyes. And then stick it down onto the front of your pot. And then stick on the nose.
Stick it in nose. Funny!
And then stick on some glue on the back for the tail.
Stick it into tail.
And then using a black pen, draw on the whiskers.
Whiskers, whiskers, whiskers.
And then using a spray bottle, make the cotton wool pad a little bit damp. And then place it inside the plant pot. And then the last thing to do is pour in the seeds.
Pour seeds. Hey.